Are you searching for the best flooring shop in the UAE? Whether you're renovating your home, designing a new office, or upgrading your commercial space, one name you need to remember is Fixit Design. We bring you not only the most trending flooring types for 2025, but also the expert service that ensures a flawless finish. Let's explore the top 7 flooring options we offer and why thousands of customers trust Fixit Design for all their flooring needs. Number 1. Wooden flooring, natural luxury for premium spaces. Wooden flooring never goes out of style. It gives your room a rich, warm, and timeless look. At Fixit Design, we offer high-quality hardwood and engineered wood flooring with premium finishes and expert installation. Ideal for villas, bedrooms, and luxury offices. If you're aiming for high-end appeal, wooden flooring is a smart investment, and no one does it better than us. Number 2. SPC and vinyl flooring -100% waterproof and modern. Looking for something stylish, practical, and affordable? SPC and vinyl flooring are the top choice for families and commercial spaces. They're waterproof, scratch-resistant, and come in dozens of colors and textures. At Fixit Design, we stock premium SPC and vinyl planks and handle everything from supply to installation. Perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, cafes, and showrooms. Number 3. LVT flooring high-end look, low maintenance. Luxury vinyl tile is the flooring choice for smart homeowners. It gives you the look of marble or wood without the cost or maintenance hassle. Fixit Design offers top-grade LVT flooring that's soft, durable, and moisture-resistant. Whether it's a modern apartment or a retail space, LVT is a game-changer, and it's available at unbeatable prices in our store. Number 4. Parquet flooring designer patterns for stylish homes. Parquet flooring adds that wow factor to your interiors. Available in herringbone, chevron, and mosaic styles, it's ideal for upscale homes and executive offices. We offer custom parquet designs, professional laying, and a finish that speaks class. Visit our showroom or request a free consultation to explore samples. Number 5. Laminate flooring stylish, budget-friendly, and fast. Need quick flooring that looks great and fits your budget? Laminate flooring is perfect. Fixit Design provides high-quality laminate that mimics wood and stone but costs far less. It's easy to clean, perfect for tenants, and great for busy spaces. We'll help you pick the right color and pattern and install it in no time. Number 6. Outdoor deck flooring waterproof style for your outdoors. Transform your balcony, patio, or garden into a relaxing lounge with our outdoor deck flooring. Made to resist heat, water, and fading, it's the ultimate solution for UAE weather. At Fixit Design, we offer WPC decking, interlock tiles, and custom outdoor flooring systems, all installed professionally. Number 7. Rubber flooring. Rubber flooring is ideal for gyms, playrooms, commercial kitchens, and high-traffic areas. It's slip-resistant, shock-absorbing, and extremely durable. Fixit Design supplies and installs premium rubber flooring rolls and tiles available in various colors and textures. Want safety plus style? Rubber flooring is your best bet. Why Fixit Design is the best flooring shop in UAE? Huge variety of flooring types, all in one place. Free site visits and expert consultation, competitive pricing with no hidden charges. Fast, professional installation by trained technicians. Showroom available in Dubai, 1,000 plus happy clients across homes, offices, and commercial projects. Whether it's supply, design, or complete installation, Fixit Design is your trusted flooring partner. Don't waste time with cheap flooring that doesn't last. Choose premium quality, expert service, and stylish designs only at Fixit Design, the best flooring shop in the UAE. Subscribe now and check out more videos on home interiors and expert tips from Fixit Design. Your space, our style.